A new dawn breaks over Dhaka. The city wakes with the sun, every rooftop glowing, every heartbeat weaving a new dream for Bangladesh. From the looms of history, the ancient thread of muslin whispers again, delicate, eternal, a fabric born of air and pride. In humble workshops, hope was stitched, turning struggle into strength and fabric into a nation's future. The women walk at sunrise, carrying courage, dignity, and the quiet power to change everything. Inside the modern factory, the hum of machines tells a global story, hands in motion, crafting garments that reach the world. Yet, in every thread of Jamdani and Kantha, from heartbreak a nation rose stronger, rebuilding with honor and hope. The soul of Bangladesh still breathes, timeless and true. Factories now shine with sunlight, a green revolution proving that progress can grow gently, in harmony with nature.
A new generation creates with purpose, blending heritage, art, and modern vision into fashion's future. Roha Afroza, fashion designer, weaving stories that shine with the light of hope.
Moments timeless, pure and true. LORATO lives in